Hello friends, it's me!
ジュゲムジュゲム五行のすり切れ海砂利水魚の水魚松雲来松風来松クーネルところに住むところやぶら工事のブラ工事パイポパイポパイポの修輪岩のグーリン大グーリン大のポンポコピーポンポコナーの超救命の長介。
So today I'll present to you a cooking video. So please do enjoy, like, subscribe and share or upvote on Steemit. Bye bye. Okay, so let's check up on our ingredients. So we have water, some sunflower oil, cheese, okay, some meat that we're gonna see later what we do with it, peppers is red, and of course these ones, we want some spiciness. This is onion, green onion, and of course spaghetti.
Somebody touch my spaghetti!
Okay, and some something for the smell, also very healthy. Okay, so let's do this. Opa. Opa. We add just a little bit of oil. Okay. And now we must wait. This is the boring part.
Get into it.
Okay, so in the meantime I found some tomato paste or juice, I don't know. You can see it. Looks okay. And one raddichio. This will be for our paste or our special sauce. Also I'm gonna add this pickled peppers. This spicy. Okay, and ketchup little bit, also spicy. No. Okay, to raise the spiciness level. Yeah, so pickled peppers. You can see.
No! That's a scam!
No, actually they are real. They are good. Okay, so I mix the ingredients: the red pepper, green pepper, the raddichio, and the green leaves. Oh, looks very colorful. Okay, so I put the spaghetti. Now I just mix a little bit. Also now boiling the meat to put later on. And now we just have to wait. Okay, and now the paste will mix in the mixer. Okay, they are ready now. Oh, perfect.